Hi there, I'm Trevor Mead. I'm from San Francisco, and this is Doloresaurus. He's a LED covered dinosaur. The whole thing's a big puppet. No motors, no servos, all mechanically controlled. Oh, awesome. The frame is PVC, panels are EVA foam that was laser cut. Everything is controlled here as far as movement. Just a big rod and cable puppet. The arms and the jaw are controlled with brake levers. And then, it's off right now, but I have a speaker in the mouth, two in the back, that are Bluetooth to a couple of old cell phones running soundboard apps. So I can trigger whatever I want out of either side. Usually there's disco and house music out of the back. Out of the front, he roars, he giggles, he meows, he burps, he sings. Everyone loves it. He's just a big joy factory.
He is a big joy factory.
Yeah. I never thought I'd get more than a year out of this guy. He has been going strong for 4.5 years now. He's been all over the country. He's been all over the Bay, and I'll tell you, he's just made friends everywhere he goes.
That's awesome. How can we find out more?
Best way is look me up on Instagram. I'm at Doloresaurus _SF.
All right.
That's Doloresaurus. It's DOLOSAURUS.
Got it.
Dolores like the park.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.